Hey, bro.
What's up with you, boy?
Why you in this discreet area?
Cause, bro, I had to be in the discreet place when I tell you the discreet business. I gotta tell you. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. You a real nigga. But that shit, Kayla pulling on you, I can't keep letting that shit slide.
Bro, what are you talking about? Kayla's my wife. She my friend. She my friend.
You done put a title on a hoe?
She my friend. Oh,
you done put a title on a hoe.
We high school sweetheart.
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
I've been hearing that forever, bro. I can't go to nothing else.
I feel you, bro. I understand the pussy good. I tried for myself back in 05, but it ain't.
What?
Nah, that's bro, beside the point. That's beside the point, bro. Why you getting aggressive with me? Listen,
I love that girl, bro. I would do anything.
Did you find out about her OnlyFans?
Her only what?
Her OnlyFans.
I thought she only had fans.
Yeah, she got plenty of them. They stroke their dick to her every day. I promise you. They
no,
nigga, I feel them niggas that she fucking on there too, and nothing in her too.
She be on Instagram, bro.
What you mean?
What are you talking about? She be cooking and shit, bro. She got OnlyFans.
Yeah, the cook, bro.
She told me about
the cooking.
This shit,
the cooking is a marketing ploy so she can sell the sex. Why you think she always cooking in lingerie? She's never wearing clothes.
She's never cooked in lingerie, bro. What
she
are you talking about? She cooked naked for me, bro.
She cooked naked, bro. You didn't see that camera?
What
bro,
camera?
you was in the video.
What?
You didn't see that camera.
Say that again. Run that by me one more time, bro.
You didn't see the camera, bro?
What camera?
I'm saying, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. The
My wife love
she been
me,
fucking, bro. I ain't gonna lie, she been fucking.
Bro,
she been fucking. I'm just telling you what she been fucking.
She would never do that to me. She said she loved me. We had 2 kids.
Shit, she didn't say she loved niggas that she been fucking. I done seen it. Personally with my own eyes. You see how I got to study when I said that? It hurt me to say it. Cause I seen her selling another nigga with a bigger dick than yours.
Heartache.
Huh?
She would never leave me with heartache.
Shit, niggas that left her with heart pain. Shit, they been paying their ass, reaching the heart. They been playing Sonic Dash to her pussy. I'm telling you, they running through that motherfucker.
But I love her.
Yeah, and she love dick. She a hoe. That's why I say you gotta leave her, bro. You can't stay with her, bro. You a better man, bro. You got a hard working job, bro. I don't want to see a good brother like you go away, bro. I don't want to hear that,
bro. You just hate on me and my relationship, cause me
bro,
and her
nigga always trying to claim it. Hate, bro. Your whole fucking, bro. She got 68 videos on OnlyFans. She's on pace to break the record for the drops for the year. 175. Don't ask me how I know that.
You're a hater, bro.
How am I a hater?
You're a hater, bro. I'm gonna see you later.
I'm a hater because I done put money in your bitch OnlyFans pockets and probably fed you one night.
Bro, what?
I'm saying some of the where you think she getting all that money from, bro? The bitch can't cook. The bitch can't cook. Think about it.
I don't even care about all that, bro. You gave
she
money
half
to my
white.
bitch,
She can't. Come on, bro.
You gave money to my bitch.
She can't cook. No, I didn't give money to your bitch. I didn't give her shit. I gave her something that she can't take back. I gave her a disease. That's what I gave her. Oh,
bro, get on, bro. Get up out my. Go home, bro.
You gonna hit me into my bushes, bro?
But fuck you, bro.
Damn,
I'm gonna set your house on fire later, bro.
You know what? This shit remind me of your girl hair ass pussy anyway.